Girl. What on we are watch me a video now?
Yeah, right there so. We can't make that sound tired. Sorry.
So no video because we not get no drive.
We not get no drive.
We not get no drive. You walk, make man look proud now. You go along. You born strong.
We like you blood on the walk. Catch them face, we like you blood on the walk.
Yeah, man, I don't walk, brother. You know like you know walk. You know go like you know buy bus. You know how walk. You want to take this thing from? Big up yourself. Yeah, man, fire walk.
Yeah, man, yeah, hold them, man.
Yeah, man, walk.
What's your
Yes.
What's that video we say?
You know what sound look that carry
Walk, yo. Make walk, make him man them soon, dog. Watch your bad girl punch you. Bad punch. Very cut out, oh.
Okay, bikes so that go on. Yeah, be nice. Yeah. Top for? I say your top. You're good now.
Kind of expensive, so.
bad up yourself and the people that will come from the place and we have to behave yourself, brother. Because here when we left from 4 down and we have come to enjoy yourself and other people come to enjoy themselves, brother. So no matter with the food is, man from there when I want that. But time, when you suck your mama, see by the time man say go suck your mama one more time, you mount a box and kick and fist so you get. You jump over one goal, you roll your fuck. A good. I say you want coconut tree down there, brother. Yeah, I say you God good make some stuff.
Service joy again.
Service joy again.
Yeah, that's cool, yeah.
That's how we live at times.
Yeah.
Dirty girl. Miss Joy, I dirty. Miss Joy, I dirty gun.
Yeah, man, I represent
Kasha.
you know, say we, you know, one and
So when
only
you
we,
do a
you know.
concert, you are going good. Auntie come up in a middle and song on a car. And then you go talk about sorry audience. I expect we to continue your song.
Why?
And the classmates come to school, they laugh off
That's
of
where
you.
we are
Sorry,
African.
Sorry
That's where
audience.
we are African. Sometimes
And
we
they
can
continue song like nothing no go along, you know.
correct it.
We say.
Right here, so I say my phone job. I say me feel it.
Okay, feel it to your
I
eye.
am say me feel it. Ah, yo, I say me out there and I say yo, God know that. I want them to get out there and I can't get me sick. Yo, I say God great, you know. I say God great. Hear me tell you. This real life story, but I can see me heart, man. This is how everybody know God knows they are doing that. Yo, I say me out there and mash up, see it. I mean, I say, yo, I wonder if one of the customer can call me, Virgin, and now get me. And when you see me tomorrow, I say, yo, me I call a Jellyman from yesterday and I can't get it. I want to you. I say, you know, so me I go to a funeral. And when me I go to a funeral, my phone jump out of the bus now. It's like me take the bus stop to take up some people. And my phone jump out of the bus and crack up and I say, yo, me can't even, when me I try to answer a call, I can't get it. And I say, me there, and I say, God, I want me out there now. Yo, and I say, yo, on a big man level. Me and Squaddy went there and I nah take a call. Squaddy tell me say yo, me fi turn the phone sideways so turn it so to see me can get the call. And I say yo, me did it, me a pray, you know, me a pray deep, you know. Yeah, me a pray deep. Yeah, me sang some when I out at 30,000 me pay for it, you know. You see me on a big man level, me a pray deep. And yo, you know, so my friend from foreign call me. No, first when I say I want them me can go a beer when my customer call me and him say yo, he can't get me. And I say, yo, my phone mash up and he say, yo, me can't phone for you tomorrow. And I say, oh, you mean? That me say, no. Push my phone in my pocket and I look and I say, yo, God bless. So after me done say that, yo, my brethren call me from foreign.
Man!
Yo, me say after me say that, my brethren call me from foreign, ja. Believe me to God. And me and him a reason, because it's like me forget a goat and a pig feed. You see me? If when he come down, you see me and I show him, I say, yo, my brother, you know, say, on a big man level. Yo, you know, say a while ago, yo, me there, me worry because I can't get no call from my phone and I don't know how me get to you, brother. You see me? And I say, yo, my phone drop and mash up. And you right now. I say, yo, me check him on the thing. I say, yo, me go check him today. Man say, I come next 2 weeks and I show him, man say, you know, say my phone mash up. Man say, yo, my car phone come, give me. Buy a phone come, give me, yo. And I say, yo, God, I wish on a customer that call me and just make me get a phone. And I man from foreigners, I say, yo, God, you're great. Same time, I did. I say, yo, no joke, you know. Yo, you might hear me talk and feel a joke. I talk about 3 minutes. And you minute if you go in a 4, I say, man, call me from foreign. Yo, Father God, you know, say, I don't like me, I tell you. You're great.
I feel testimony.
You see me? No joke, brother, the man call me from foreign. Yo, the man named Richie. One of my white friends, no joke, brother. 2 week time when I come here, brother. You see me? I mean, I forget the pig and the goat for him, man. The man say, yo, the man, you know, kill him, he charge him for the pig, but you know, if he kill him for the goat price. No, I lie. The man say he can kill him for the goat price, but I not tell the man that. You see me, I just want the man get a decent goat for him money for it and income. Because I know the man now can't afford for me. God, you're great. Bless up. Yeah. My testimony that. Till the sun up on top of funeral day. Jamie prove me say you're greater to me again. That's why I have to just get up and say, yo, but bad mind. You can't tap me 1 inch more. Whoosh! Whoa! You don't tape?
Gaza never rape.
Gaza never rape, I swear. You know when I come? Fever.
shots. You wait, go down in it.
I want.
Yeah.
So make sure I get wrong now.